On today's adventure, we're leaving our home state of Tennessee to go to the Great Wolf Lodge Waterpark Resort in Concord, North Carolina, which is just outside of Charlotte. You'll be able to join us as we go inside the lobby to check in and then bring you on a tour of our family suite before heading to their indoor water park to have some fun swimming in January. We'll be having dinner at their Lodge Woodfire Grill restaurant and check out some of the other fun food options they have here. And finally, you'll get to join our family as our kids use their wolf passes to try out some of the activities such as the arcade, their on-site Build-A-Bear, or Build-A-Wolf as Hannah will end up doing. We'll do some gem mining and see who will come in first place inside their laser tag arena. So we invite you to join us to see what this Great Wolf Lodge is like. As we left our home in the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee, we had about a 3.5-hour drive to get to this Great Wolf Lodge. It was actually quite a peaceful drive through the mountains that Brie really wanted to do, and Hannah wanted to sit up front with her. Once we got off the interstate, we noticed there were a number of restaurants nearby we could utilize if we wanted to, and the Concord Mills Mall that has a movie theater and lots of shopping options. It only took us a few minutes from the exit to get to this Great Wolf Lodge, and it wasn't very difficult to find. Once we pulled in, I hopped out to check in at the front desk, which they were very helpful to explain where everything was on site and the activities going on for the day. You can add an activity pass for your kids or grandkids. The more you pay, the more activities they'll be able to do. Hopefully after watching this video, you'll better know which pass is best for you and your kiddos. I got our room and everything good to go. Let's go park. We found a parking spot and we've made it up to our room. Every one of our wristbands has the ability to open the door, so we're gonna pass these out. But first, let's head inside and check out this suite. Now that we're inside, we have this little bench and some hangers and some extra sheets and a pillow. Got a sink here with a hair dryer. And on the other side, we've got one bathroom right here. We've got some queen beds. Got a deer and a wolf artwork up above the bed. Looks like we got some standard outlets and some USB plugs here, as well as some on the alarm clock here. And across from the beds, we have a little refrigerator down below and a microwave. Here's a look at the coffee machine that they provide and some of the coffee here at the Great Wolf Lodge. Here's a look at the microwave, and here is the mini fridge down below. What do you guys think of this place?
I like this. I like this, yeah. That's cute. That's pretty.
They like the lamp. We've got this TV right here, little place to sit, play some games, have some snacks, a coffee table. Hannah's gonna open up the door to the little balcony here.
Oh, wow, this is tiny but nice.
So this is looking out at the parking lot side over here. I can see Bass Pro Shops off in the distance. Ooh. Might have to go over to Bass Pro Shops before we leave. Got some artwork on the wall here. We come to this second bedroom.
Oh, I was gonna say half the other one.
As we come to the next room, we have a sink and a mirror over here. Here's another queen bed.
Very nice.
And we've got a TV up here on the wall with some bear artwork. And here's the second little balcony. Hi, how's it going over there? I think it's like for trash or something. Like you can put a little trash bag.
Oh, okay.
I think,
Yeah.
I don't know. Somebody in the comments can tell us what this thing is for. I don't know. And as we're back in the room, you've got the same outlets on each side of the queen bed here. And you have a little bathroom in here. So here's a look at the shower in this bedroom. And Hannah just spotted a safe up here on the wall. Now that we're checked in our room, you guys can each put these on for access to the pool and other stuff we're gonna do. That's also a key to the room here. And you guys each get a wolf pass. So that's gonna have a bunch of activities. We'll be showing everybody around the resort here in a little bit. They currently have a Snowland event going on right now. Here's a look at the kids' entertainment schedule for today. But I think we want to go utilize the pool before it closes at 8 p.m. Now that we got changed in our room to our bathing suits, we're going to stop by the gift shop before we head over to the pool.
Do you wish you had that fireplace?
We were just admiring this amazing fire here in the main lobby. And we're gonna work our way over here is where the gift shop is. We'll come back and check out the Build-A-Bear workshop a little bit later after we do some swimming, but let's head over here and get our ears. There we go, we've got our wolf ears. What nice ears you have. Oh, you want me to wear some?
Yes.
Okay.
Very, very handsome.
Oh. Yeah, he already has yours, that's fine. Got the gem mining I think we'll do after we do some swimming as we head in here to the pool. Feels good in here, nice and warm. There it comes, lots of water. We got a place to get some food over here to the left. I think we might go check out this pool area over here to the right. Brie is the lone wolf. She's the only one wearing her ears at the moment. We're gonna head down and get some dinner, but this place does feel very spacious with the high ceilings, as Micah was just pointing out. So, who's hungry?
I am.
Yes?
All that swimming.
Me.
All right, you ready, Hannah?
Yeah.
All right, let's get going. Hannah has joined the wolf pack.
My wolf cub.
So we've made it down to the lobby. We could eat at the Loose Moose Cottage, which is a buffet. Comes out to $23.99 for adults or $10 for kids. But we're waiting to get a table here at the Lodge wood-fired grill. It's about a 30-minute wait. So while we're waiting, I'm gonna bring the kids over to the Buckhorn Exchange, the gift shop, to pick out some candy. One thing you get with the Wolf Pass is a cup full of candy. Looks like Hannah's going for some of the, what's that, watermelon?
I'm just going for the sour stuff.
Ooh, that looks good. You gotta pay the dad tax too, you know. Just want at least one gummy pizza slice.
Try one.
That looks good.
Okay.
Yeah, Micah, let's get a fried egg. Throw that on top too. Pro tip, if you have multiple kids, come over here, grab a Sharpie, and you can figure out whose cup is who, so you don't get back to your room going, wait, that was mine. No, that was mine. There you go, problem solved. Let me walk over real quick and show you what is on the Loose Moose buffet menu. They have some buns, looks like some barbecue, some baked beans, and some green beans. Looks like some tomatoes, pickles, looks like a coleslaw, mashed potatoes, gravy, and some pasta. They also have some pork loin, some cornbread. They also have some shrimp and some grits in here. They've got some mac and cheese, some chicken tenders, and some tater tots over here. Looks like some lettuce with potato salad, some different dressings, cheese, croutons, some broccoli. They've also got some tomatoes, some feta cheese, cucumbers, some other cheeses, and carrots and more lettuce over here. Looks like some cookies, apple pies, and some other desserts, including, looks like a cheesecake right here. Looks like they have an apple cobbler here as well. Our table is ready. So here's a quick look at the kids menu. I will say the frugal guy in me is thinking that is a lot of black ink they are ripping through at this restaurant.
More than 60 because it was 20.
They must have a really good printer. They've got some appetizers, some soup and salads, some desserts, and here's a look at their main dishes. Here's a look at Brie's braised beef
Bolognese.
Bolognese. Man, try to say that 10 times fast. And they also got a wedge salad. Micah and Brie will be sharing these. I went with the tomato bisque soup. Here's a look at the cheeseburger they have here. Here's a look at the standard cheeseburger that Hannah requested to get. Now that we finished up dinner, we're gonna build a bear here in the gift shop. Micah is gonna go with a bear, and I think Hannah is going to go with a wolf. Micah's up first.
You step on that pedal right there.
Micah's picked out a heart. The Build-A-Bear experience is part of this wolf pass. So there you go.
Shake it up with the legs. Rub it on your heart so she loves you. And then give it a kiss and make a wish. You can put it in there.
So there's Micah's bear and Hannah's wolf. You can get this giant wolf pup for $100. Another dinner option we could have utilized was their Hungry as a Wolf pizza area. I think we're gonna come over to Bear Paw Sweets and Eats a little bit later to get some ice cream. But first, we're gonna do some gem mining here at Oliver's Mining Company. Which one's your favorite? Oh, that one's nice. Next, we're heading to the arcade so the kids can play a couple games. So this is a pretty large arcade here at Great Wolf Lodge. He's gonna try to get one of these foxes. If he can't get a fox, he can always get some of the candy. Here we go, here we go. Oh, come on. Get the good stuff. Oh, nothing. No, no, not again! Hopefully third time is the charm. There we go. Hold on there, sweethearts. Oh, it's just hanging on. Hang in there. There we go. Hannah's gonna try it as well. See if she can get a fox. Oh, it's looking good. Oh. So close. Next, we're gonna do some laser tag. Brie is the only one still wearing her wolf ears, which is exactly what this game is. It's everyone for themselves. You are a lone wolf. You all are going down. I know you're good at video games, but you will not last. He's actually asking to stay next to me. Can I stay next to you, Dad? Here we go. Coming for you, Mama. All right, go get him, Micah. Here comes Hannah. She's in the house. On the move. Where's Mom? I know she was just around here somewhere. There she is. There she is. Ah! Get her, get her. Abby took first place. Hannah taking second. Who's player number 3?
Me.
Micah got third. Mom got fourth, and I came in dead last. Now that we've done some laser tag, we could head around the corner and play a game of bowling, but we're gonna skip that tonight. So Micah got some cotton candy, and Hannah is going to enjoy some chocolate ice cream. And then we're gonna go right to bed, right? Our biggest challenge in staying here was there were so many things to do and not enough time to do them all. They also had duck pin bowling, they had a virtual reality game, along with a ropes course, mini golf, and much more. We were able to check out their Magi quest, which you can do throughout the resort the next morning before we left. Here's a look at their fitness center at this particular location. We also checked out their breakfast buffet and wanted to walk you through what was available on this particular morning. They had some grits and potatoes along with tater tots, some oatmeals, and it looked like a breakfast quiche. They also had their specialty bread pudding along with scrambled eggs a variety of different ways. You got waffles, pancakes, and French toast, as well as some biscuits and gravy, sausage links, sausage patties, and of course bacon. They had some cinnamon rolls, some pastries, and some muffins, along with some bagels and bread. They have a Dunkin' Donuts on site, which is where I was assuming these were from, and they have a cereal bar with 3 different types. They've got a number of different milks, yogurts, and toppings that you can utilize, along with some seasonal fresh fruit. But that wrapped up our time at the Great Wolf Lodge in Concord, North Carolina. We really like being able to use their indoor water park that's kept 84 degrees year-round with freezing cold January temperatures outside. We ended up checking out and heading over to a Carolina Panthers football game the next morning, which was only 20 minutes away from this location. I'll put a link to that video if you want to watch that next down in the description. A big thank you to Great Wolf Lodge for hosting us at this location. We'd love to hear from you in the comments if you've ever been to a Great Wolf Lodge. What is your favorite location that you think we should check out next? Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.
Okay, let's go to the pool. Let's go to the pool. Yep. Okay, let's go to the pool. Okay. Oh. Wait, okay. Okay, let's go to the pool.
I'm the lone wolf wearing the ears. No one else will wear them.
So we have showered. Oh, you've got another wolf in the pack. No,